I'm telling you people, you see this country, you see this country, I tell you, you don't tire plenty people. So Cubana chief priest lost in his primaries and got 14 votes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 votes. Cubana chief priest, where they make noise. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. So on the gist waiting they happen, Cubana chief priest got 14 votes. You know what in they talk? He say he no feel bad. Say him no feel bad. Say all those people say make him feel bad. Say they not even rich. Say na poor masses. Anyway, I don't need to sugarcoat the whole thing. Listen to him and stupid Pella.
None of them get G-Wagon.
None of them get Camry. They don't get Camry.
So
give me this marriage chart.
I won't go follow person. Why I won't feel bad for waiting poor man talk.
Poor man.
Make big man come feel bad. For poor man chop.
Poor man chop.
It's pampering me. You're like, oh, CP.
I think Tinubu, he forced you. He accommodates you. He said, no, I'm sorry.
So he's working in my favor.
Yes.
One of my chairman called me today. He said, CP, are you okay? I said, Baba, I just did try. He said, no worry. Say, you get motor where I've been buying for you, where I won't give you after your primaries. Say, boy, you'll be my honorable for life. Say, tomorrow, come pick up the car. So tomorrow we're picking up a brand new Alex 700H.
So you feel loose. May they still give you gifts.
You know, that's
crazy.
That's the most painful part of this whole thing, you know. I have a great league of friends. I have goodwill with a lot of people. If I had scaled through these primaries, I would have opened up a WhatsApp group of my friends and
here and say how you won't take feel bad for waiting poor man talk. Now these poor people go vote for Ramon. Now these poor people where they follow and will be all the numbers when he gets for in TikTok account, for Instagram accounts, for all his followers, whether you get Facebook or you don't get, I don't know. But now these poor people, now you know support them. You know what he talk. Say if he gets angry, say he go enter in children's room, go play with them. Nigerians who don't see shege. Una don't see shege. Still people come on mind, they follow this person. See Pella say yes, yeah, Pella say yeah, say poor man, say those people they don't even get Camry. Say Camry. Say how many people for this guy village, how many people for his kindred get G-Wagon? How many people, how many average Nigerian, how many people get Corolla? Say they don't even get anything. Wait now, with this kind of mentality you want to be the voice for the people, you want to be the people's voice. How? When you start shading people because they are poor, how can you represent the people that are poor? You can imagine. Say the other one, the other one, he said that he even got a consolation prize. So APC now is giving out consolation prizes for people losing. You see, you see why? That's why it a tired person to see waiting they sub for all these you see, you know one thing with this guy, he brags a lot. Anyway, I don't talk my own for here. I don't talk my own because bragging will not get you what you want. I think you have to mellow down and start writing your wrongs right for you to be able to get the numbers. Because these rich people that you feel that you need, you think say they watch your TikTok. How many rich men they sit down? They bring their phones. They watch your TikTok. How many? Rich people they get time for all those things because waiting they reason how to make money. You can imagine. Do you think this guy will not carry this mentality and not enter inside politics and think in politics you be doing segregation, you be doing class for person whenever even starts. Even your grassroots level self, you know, reach now 14 votes you get. You got to tell people saying a poor man, say poor man no even get Camry because they make you feel bad. So you feel say poor man no get mouth for Nigeria. Those poor people, those poor numbers where they follow you, if you say they don't know anything, now still those people now no votes for you. Now still those people now no do make your votes plenty. You dey here on video on live, you follow Pella when you get let's assume say Pella no na small boy, you don't know anything. You follow Pella, grown ass man like you, follow Pella, they shade people from your own village. Remember, Pella no be Igbo, Pella no be Imo State boy. Pella Pella na small boy. If they follow Pella, they talk. He say, yeah. Say those people, how many people get even G-Wagon for that place? G-Wagon is not a regular car. For you to have a G-Wagon in Nigeria, you know how much you have. You know how much people where they work 9 to 5 don't have G-Wagon. G-Wagon, it get some kind of business where you go they do for you to be able to afford G-Wagon. You they shade your people. You follow Pella, small boy, they talk. See person where they talk. Person where no they even make better choices. If they chop junk, if they chop, make I they go that side. Make we they go that side. How many people get G-Wagon? People for that Olo, people will get G-Wagon, they feel reach 3,000. Like 3,000 G-Wagon in Olo. Then they reason those things. Remember, Nigerians they forget. You see this thing where this guy talk now. When something won't happen now, Nigerians will go and fish it out on the internet. You know, like they say, the internet never forgets. So be careful waiting you go this guy Pella life they talk, because Pella is not Olo boy. Pella is not be your constituency boy. Nigerians doesn't forget, and the internet doesn't forget. Remember, I'm your girl Bella on what is trending. Peace out.